Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be some laundry motivation. If you guys have watched any of my cleaning videos, or I think I had a laundry motivational video like some months ago, you would know that my laundry routine, there isn't one. It's a hot mess. So I'm going to show you guys real life how much laundry I always have. I'm always drowning on laundry. And I know I'm not the only person. You see these people that do laundry every day. They have a perfect routine. It's like they never have dirty clothes. Not up in this house, not up in this house. I literally am always drowning in laundry. I attempted to wash a load a day. That just became too overwhelming for me because the thought of doing laundry every day, laundry is my least favorite thing. I actually had a conversation with my mom about this a couple days ago, and my mom was a stay-at-home mom growing up, and she was over here the other day, and I was actually doing some laundry, and she said, "You remind me of me when you kids were growing up. I hated doing laundry. I felt like I never could get ahead with it, and I would wash it, I would fold it, but I would never put it away." That is me. Thanks, Mom. Thanks for passing on that lovely trait, the hate of laundry. So if you guys are looking for some motivation to tackle all of your laundry, because I know I'm not the only one out here that just has a never-ending amount of it, keep on watching. I'm going to bring you all the motivation today, and maybe one day we'll get our life together and actually get a routine. But until then, I have like 20 loads to fold.
Hey, don't you think I can see that you've been looking at me, that you've been staring at my face? Hey, baby, I don't wanna stay in this club no longer. You can move on to my place. There's no need to be shy, 'cause you're for the right guy. I will take you up high the whole night. Hey, baby, don't be afraid. You just follow my way. Tonight we will fight again. I never should have kissed you. I never should have gone there, but I couldn't resist you. Never felt like that girl, I swear. I probably should run, girl. Trying to make this all undone, girl. I never should have kissed you.
Currently, I'm using just Gain to wash our laundry. We're a Gain family. And then for my towels, I add in this Lysol sanitizer cleaner. So this is a disinfectant. I like to use this for the towels just to get any of that mildew smell out. And a lot of times for Khalif's work clothes, I'll throw some of this in the load as well. I don't put fabric softener on the towels. I just use this sanitizing stuff. And then for my dryer sheets, I'm loving the Downy currently. Now for any hoodies, I try to remember to hang them to dry. Khalif gets really mad when I dry his sweatshirts. He thinks it shrinks them. You know what my response to that is? Well, do your own laundry. Usually he shuts up real fast after that. But I try, you guys. I hate laundry, so after I'm doing it all day, a lot of times I'm just ready to get it thrown in the dryer. Why I have the motivation, and I just honestly forget. He doesn't believe that I forget. He thinks I purposely dry his hoodies, but either do it yourself or deal with shrunk hoodies.
Make this all undone, girl. I never should have kissed you. I never should have gone there. I know that this is problem, and I know that it would kill me, kill me, but I can't resist. I'm falling, and I know that this will burn me.
Now, since you guys know, I do have 3 boys. They were all in one room, so they share this closet. This closet is huge. it's not organized the best, but it is what it is. So for their clothes, I only put their pants in a tote. I have like 3 separate totes in here. I have like their shorts, their summer clothes, and then their pajamas and their pants. And then I hang everything else. But Lakin's pants I do actually hang, since it's easier in the mornings when he's getting up for school. Sometimes I'll tell him to go grab some clothes and it's much easier and there's not a mess versus it being in one of the totes. I don't have dressers for them. There's just so many clothes, and transitioning from baby to toddler and all of that, I just felt like there wasn't enough space, so I just never spent the money to get a dresser. The totes have worked, and like I said, most of their clothes I hang up anyways. It's just what works for me, and it's more organized. And as you can see, I have a little shadow who likes to go and pull everything out, so hanging is the better option in this house. So once I get all of their socks and underwear organized, I'm just gonna go ahead and hang up all of Lakin's shirts and his pants. And I had to actually stop after this. I still needed to put me and Khalif's clothes away and some of Ellie's, but I received a call regarding my grandmother. So that's real life, you guys. That's why I don't have a laundry routine, because you just never know what's going to happen during the day. And between stopping and just being a mom and doing a million other things that we do, it's hard. And I just want to say it's okay if you don't have a perfect laundry routine or any routine at all. Don't feel bad. You're doing your best, and remember that. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and seeing my all-day laundry routine, and I hope it gave you some inspiration to go ahead and get your laundry worked on and tackled. And hopefully you wash, folded, and put it away all in one day. If not, we might not be friends. Just kidding. I love all of you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video.